So guys, this is here. Mbona mmefence hapa na net hivi? This is the used net, you know, guys. You don't need even to throw away the net. You have to fence it so that the chickens don't eat the vegetables, guys. This is a special wonder. And here we have cassava, guys. There we have a chicken. And the time now is I don't know, four. Here Mr. Doggy is eating. There we have the, and usually here we just get the water from this borehole here, guys. The borehole looks lovely, but so drop a comment what you think about this video here. It's very much amazing, guys. Here mostly they dig the boreholes, and that is the, here we have, this is Mauritius plants. They have tons like this. So you have to post like this. So what's up, guys? Here your girl Grace Carey mission to my tiny subscribers. Thank you always for being here. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talking live from the village, and this is how the village looks. Actually, I was just passing here and it seemed like I should come and have a walk here. Mostly here, this village is very new, as you see, as you look. So guys, this is someone's house, like, guys, and here they have not planted already. They have not planted. You have, but if you prepare the land, just the area, you're gonna just, even the harvesting, you're gonna do it area, like, guys. So I don't know what, you drop a comment. It is very much amazing here, and usually people here, they don't buy water. What usually you can spend even $1 for the food. If you have some other food in the house, what you should buy only is the salt, sugar. But then what is boring here, guys, that they don't have electricity, because I'm getting tired even like that. Actually, I may be singing because of that. I usually used to stay where there is electricity, but then this like 1 month and some days. I'm almost finishing 2 months, but soon I may leave this village and just go to my home. So guys, drop a comment what you think about this video here. Mostly here at this village, you can see how it is. But if someone has harvested, they usually put the cows like to graze. And if you don't do that, when you are going to dig, when you ask someone to give you the cows, they're gonna refuse you, they're gonna not give you the cows. So they are very jealous, and it may end up digging with the tractor, like, guys. So this is the village, guys. Very much amazing. And the fence is this one here, guys. Mauritius branches. No one is gonna jump over here. See, these are all thorns here, guys. It was at my village, but nowadays you cannot see it. So guys, thank you so much for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love. There are some people who are asking me, when are you going back to the village? They want to see me plucking tea, guys. Soon, continue supporting me. Soon we are going there, and we're gonna pluck the tea while we are alive, guys. This is the village. God bless you as you continue supporting me. May you have a very wonderful day, moments, peaceful time all over on this midst week here. Guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the video. Ninguém vai precisar.
내가 박았다. 오, 예수.
Unapika nini? What are you cooking?
I'm cooking food.
Food? What type of food? Okari. She doing ugari.
Yeah.
Hey, watu wa village, they like ugari. That's the staple food. They usually eat like every day, lunch, even breakfast. You can have ugari if you want. If you are tired of having tea in the morning, you can have ugari. So that's why now this one is here is for lunch. And usually lunch hours, this is our staple food. That's why you are seeing the cooking ugari like. So guys, there are other people outside there. They like rice, and others like sweet potatoes. What do you think of ugari, Chudi?
Ugari? You know, if you eat ugari, you can be strong. Yeah.
Is that what you believe?
Yeah.
Kwani ukikula chakula ingine you don't feel strong?
Unajua ugali ukikula unakaa strong sana. Yeah.
So guys, if you are outside there, you go and cook ugari. And guys, what we are using to eat ugari is beans. Beans is there, guys. We are going to have it with beans. And usually beans have some vitamin, so that's why we are cooking beans. Also, we usually cook corn, like a mixture for beans and corn, beans and corn. And here we are going to cook ugari. As my sister here say that if you have ugari, you can be strong. That's why you are seeing strong. Like I don't know. So go and try ugari. Drop a comment what you think about this video here. Actually, we didn't eat last night, so we cooked it. This is for 3 people, guys. Hey, mambo ya ushago na ugari. Hey, and we usually use firewood. Usually we use firewood. That's the easiest way of cooking here, because we cannot come with the gas from home. Amechomeka. Mbona si ugari inaharibika? Ugari inaharibika. Umpeleka wapi mwiko? Hey. So she is doing it now. So there is other videos that we use. We cook the ugari like from cassava, but this one here is from corn, guys. So drop a comment what you think about this video here. Very much amazing. We are bringing more amazing videos from the village. Lovely videos. Actually, you can share the video outside there. If you have a community, try sharing my videos so that we can continue helping each other. Angalia vile sasa anapurisa moto. No, you know, I never came with my kipurisa. The pipe, I didn't come with it here.